Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Jeep Wrangler tire. First, ensure you have all necessary tools: a lug wrench, jack, and your spare tire. Find a safe, level spot away from traffic to park your vehicle. Engage the parking brake firmly and place wheel chocks behind the tires that will remain on the ground. This preparation is crucial for your safety and makes the process much smoother. Now let's get to loosening those lug nuts. Before lifting the vehicle, use your lug wrench to turn the nuts counterclockwise, just enough to break them loose. Don't remove them yet. Next, carefully position the jack under the designated frame point near the flat tire. Slowly raise your Jeep Wrangler until the flat tire is fully clear of the ground, allowing for easy removal. With the vehicle lifted, you can now fully remove the lug nuts and carefully pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs. Set it aside. Next, lift your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs. Gently push it onto the hub. Once the spare is in place, hand tighten all the lug nuts as much as you can before lowering the vehicle. Finally, lower your Jeep Wrangler completely to the ground and remove the jack and wheel chocks. Now, using your lug wrench, fully tighten all the lug nuts in a star pattern. This ensures even pressure and secure mounting. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Don't forget to store your flat tire and tools safely, then head to a repair shop as soon as possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.